Thank you for taking the time to watch this instructional video on how to use Google Sheets in your classroom. This video may be the most relevant of the videos because this will show you how to connect the assessments you made in Google Forms and retrieve the data as a Google Sheets file. Piggybacking off the last professional development session on Google Forms, if I open a Google form that I used for my AP Calculus students last year, and I click on the word Responses at the top of the page, I can see the grades that each student received in the order at which the students submitted their forms. This is helpful, but Google Sheets will allow me to organize and study the data a little more clearly. First, I'm going to click what looks like a green Christmas present near the top of the screen. If you have already created a spreadsheet, like I have, it will take you directly to the data in the Google Sheet. If you have not already created the spreadsheet, simply click Create New Spreadsheet when the box comes up to prompt you to do so, and it will do it for you. Now my data is displayed out, and everything that I have asked the students for in their form is on full display in the Google Sheet. I can see each and every answer to the multiple choice questions. Since I asked the students to submit a picture of their work along with their assignment to try to prevent cheating, I can scroll all the way to the right and click on that link, and a picture of their work will appear. The best part of what I can do with this data is I can organize it in a way that will allow me to put these grades into my gradebook. These scores are currently in the order in which students submitted their forms. If I want to put it into alphabetical order, I can click on the column E above last name, then click on Sort A through Z. This will put my data in order from A to Z by last name. The best part about this is that it moves all of the data to stay with the correct student. If I want to find the average score on this assessment, I click on the box below the test scores, go to Insert, Function, and Average. We practiced this process in video 2 with the sum. I go to the top of the score column, hold down the Shift key, and scroll down the column until I get to the last score. When I hit Enter, the average will appear. This makes data analysis as well as data organization a breeze. Please check out the next video on some advanced tips for Google Sheets.